The CWHW link for students at Ray-Pec East Middle School is a great resource for both students and families regarding classwork and homework that takes place during the school day. To easily get to that link, you're going to go to our middle school website. Once you're at the East Middle School website, you are going to click on the Ray-Pec East Middle School Classwork and Homework link. Many of our students have bookmarked this link within their Chromebook as a class activity that they did with their teachers. So you might want to ask your student if they have direct access to this link, but it is right here on our website as well as in our weekly SMORE. The link is also in our weekly family newsletter that's published through SMORE. So once you click on that link, you will get to each team's portion of their CWHW. You'll notice that the classwork will describe what the activity was during the day or during the week, and then in green and bolded, the homework is listed for students. In addition to having the CWHW link virtually, students are writing this information down in their agendas on a daily basis. So a lot of times this information is either in the CWHW link or in the student's paper agenda, which they have with them. So if you have any questions from your student, you could ask them to see their agenda. You will notice that the homework is highlighted, so it's easy to stand out and see exactly what they were to do for that evening. If there is no homework, the teacher will designate it with no homework or none. You can also see that teachers are indicating when assessments are during the week, so that it's an easy visual for families to see and prepare for those. In addition to the teams, there are also elective information. So, for instance, in digital literacy, you can see that for the week ending last week, Ms. Sandifer had several different classwork pieces, and then whether there was homework or not was signified in the homework spot. So again, you can scroll back and forth on the bottom to see the different teams that your student is on, as well as then the elective classes, and you can see that scrolling down at the bottom. If you have any questions about the CWHW, don't hesitate to reach out to your team teachers as they have information about this as well, or ask your student about the CWHW link, which is just another great resource for our families and students at East Middle School.